Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can A/B test your YouTube videos. So if you are hearing this word A/B test for the very first time, let me explain what is mean by A/B test. So let's say you have created a video content and you're not sure about what is the thumbnail which attract more viewers and what is the title which increase my click-through rate, what is the description which brings traffic to my videos, and what are the YouTube tags which people are searching. So if you're confused with this kind of thing, then using this A/B test you can test your videos with two different data sets. For example, you may have two title and two description, two YouTube tags and two thumbnail for a single YouTube video, and this plugin will shuffle those data sets for every 24 hours, and at the end of the result it will show you which gained more click-through rate, which gained more views, which generated more traffic in the form of a report. So you have an option to run this A/B test from 14 days to 28 days depending upon your convenience. So let me show you how to A/B test your video. So just pick any one of your video, and this is the video that I have picked. Click on this tubebuddy icon and go to A/B test. So it will take you to the plugin URL, and here it will show you the selected videos, and there are two options. One is you can A/B test just your thumbnail and your metadata test. So if you go with a thumbnail, you have an option to upload two different thumbnail. One is an original image and next one is that you want to test. And when you go with the metadata test, you have to update your thumbnail, your title, tags and description. So I will go with thumbnail CTR test now. So how many days you want to run this test? So starting from 14 days you can run up to 28 days. So I will go with 20 days and click on continue. So this is my original thumbnail, and if you have the test thumbnail, just upload it and click on the start test. Once that is done, your A/B test will be stored on the plugin and it will automatically change the thumbnail for every 24 hours. In the first day it will show original thumbnail, in the second day it will show the test thumbnail. Like that it will repeatedly change the thumbnail for the next 20 days, and at the end you will see the A/B test report. So let me show you one of the report. So this is one of the report that I have generated using this A/B test, which ran for around 14 days from Jan 7 to Jan 12. And here you can see how much click-through rate has gained. This original image, this is original and this is a variation, that is a test thumbnail. And this original gained 1.73%, but this variation image get 1.80, which is quite high when compared to original. And impression, it's generated 347 and it generated 444. So watch time was reduced by 5 seconds, but my original image, the watch time was 14.7 seconds. And the daily impression on YouTube search result, you can see, and how much clicks is generating daily for variation as well as original. And also you can see the number of views and average view duration, estimated total minutes watched, and the traffic source as well, whether it brings traffic from YouTube search or it brings traffic from suggested video or from browser feature. If you see this YouTube search, so the original got 3 search and this variation got 10 views from YouTube search results. Like that it will have suggested video and a suggested video, my variation got 1 view, and browse feature, the original got 1 view. So this is how your final A/B test report will be. So you have to decide which one you want to go based on this report. So whether you are looking for a click-through rate, or whether you are looking for a increase in views, or whether you are looking for watch time, so it's all up to you. So what you want to increase because of this change, go with that and change your video with that particular thumbnail, YouTube video title, description and tags. So this is how you can A/B test your video, and that's all about this A/B testing. Thank you. Bye bye. I will catch you in the next video.